The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. A statement of luxury, engineering excellence, and freedom on wheels. Whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or someone new to the world of high-end motor coaches, this model commands attention and earns respect. In this review, we'll explore what makes the 2026 Liberty Coach built on a Prevost chassis so impressive, covering its design, performance, features, and what sets it apart in a class where excellence is the baseline. Let's start with the design, because that's often what captures people first. At nearly 45 feet long, the 2026 Liberty Coach is a rolling masterpiece. The exterior showcases Prevost's iconic structure, sleek, aerodynamic lines that feel more like a luxury tour bus than an RV. Liberty takes it further with custom paint jobs, often multi-layered and hand-detailed, giving every coach a one-of-a-kind appearance. It's not just about looking good, though. The aluminum monocoque construction makes the chassis incredibly strong yet lightweight, contributing to a smoother ride and longer vehicle lifespan. Moving inside, the Liberty Coach offers what can only be described as a 5-star hotel experience on wheels. You walk in and you're greeted by custom cabinetry, Italian leather upholstery, precision lighting, and flooring that ranges from hand-laid tile to warm wood tones. Every material is selected for luxury, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Liberty offers multiple interior floor plans, each customizable to the owner's tastes. Whether it's a rear bedroom suite, a mid-coach bath and a half setup, or an open-concept living and kitchen area, you're looking at true residential comfort. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Liberty experience. The coach comes equipped with the latest version of the Crestron control system, allowing you to manage lighting, climate, shades, audio, and video from touchscreens or a smartphone app. Imagine adjusting your thermostat, dimming the lights, and queuing up a movie, all from the comfort of your heated recliner. The onboard entertainment package is second to none, boasting multiple smart TVs, surround sound, satellite connectivity, and even a hidden outdoor theater system that pops out with the push of a button. Now let's talk performance. This is where the Prevost chassis really earns its keep. Powered by a Volvo D13 engine producing up to 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, the 2026 Liberty Coach glides effortlessly over highways and hills. The automatic transmission is fine-tuned for smooth gear changes, and the coach includes a proprietary suspension system that absorbs road imperfections like a sponge. You might forget you're in a 45-foot-long vehicle. Fuel efficiency, while not the primary focus in this class, is surprisingly good for such a large machine thanks to improved aerodynamics and engine management systems. Safety is also a major emphasis. The 2026 model includes lane departure warning, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced maneuverability. There are also redundant systems for braking and electrical management, ensuring that if one system fails, there's always a backup to keep you safe and mobile. The driver cockpit itself is an ergonomic dream, with digital gauges, a customizable dashboard display, and heated, air-cushioned seats that keep fatigue at bay during long drives. The coach's environmental controls are top of the line. Dual-zone climate systems, heated floors, and ultra-efficient insulation mean you're comfortable whether parked in the Arizona desert or somewhere in the Colorado Rockies. Liberty also integrates a robust lithium battery setup paired with solar panels and a diesel generator, making off-grid travel easier and more sustainable than ever. The water system includes a full filtration setup, high-capacity tanks, and easy-access service panels that make refilling and maintenance a breeze. Storage is another highlight. You'll find plenty of overhead space inside, but what really impresses are the underbody bays. These slide-out compartments are large enough to store everything from luggage to full-size grills and outdoor furniture. Some models even feature a pull-out freezer or a hidden tool compartment. It's clear Liberty understands how people live and travel in these vehicles, and they've built around that lifestyle. What truly sets Liberty apart, though, is its craftsmanship and customer support. Every Liberty Coach is built in close collaboration with its future owner. From selecting materials and layouts to final inspections, the company takes a boutique approach to RV manufacturing. The build process can take months, but the result is a coach that feels uniquely yours. And once you take delivery, Liberty's support doesn't stop. Their concierge-level service includes 24/7 support, access to exclusive events, and service centers staffed with technicians who know your specific coach inside and out. In terms of price, the 2026 Liberty Coach is squarely in ultra-luxury territory. Depending on customization, it can easily top $2 million. But for those who can afford it, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a mobile lifestyle that prioritizes freedom, comfort, and precision. You're not just buying a motor coach. You're joining a community of enthusiasts who expect the best and get exactly that. To summarize, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is more than transportation. It's a fully integrated living space, high-performance vehicle, and luxury product all rolled into one. It marries cutting-edge technology with handcrafted elegance, and combines robust engineering with attention to personal comfort. It's the kind of vehicle that can take you across the country in style or serve as your full-time residence on the road. Whether you're looking to tour national parks, tailgate in luxury, or simply enjoy the freedom of a home that moves with you, the Liberty Coach stands ready to deliver that dream, and do it with distinction.